All right, guys, welcome back. So my last video, I was talking about realty income. I made my first dollar cost average purchase today. If you look on top, you can see that I bought O Realty Income, just $500 worth. It's 2.26% of this taxable account. So I have 10 shares, about 10 to 11 shares right now, and my cost basis is $46.81. I think this can keep going lower, but for me, I'm happy to start making my entry in this. I believe that this is a good entry point, and I'm holding them long term, so I'm trying to buy them. They used to be $70, $80. We're just trying to slowly buy in. My next purchase will probably be next week, probably next Thursday or Friday, but they have to be, my rule is I want them to be under this cost basis of $46.81. But I don't want any more than a 6% of the account. So unless I start adding more to SCHD, FNILX, or FSPGX, which as you can see, I have 8,000 in SCHD, I have 6,300 in the S&P, and then I have 6,800, almost 6,900 in the growth fund. So unless it's going to be more adding to these, I'm only going to go a total percentage of the account of realty income up to 6%. That's the max I'm willing to risk on that. And I still have other stocks that I'm looking at. And you can definitely go to my previous video. I'll put it at the end so you can see it. I have other stocks that I'm looking to buy. But right now, I wanted to start the account. And if you look under realty income, you can see that there's a dividend payment. So right here on Fidelity, they show this little D, and it'll show you. But here's another little thing I wanted to show you, because let's look at how much yield realty income offers. So as you can see, this portfolio right now is only up $60. I was up almost $800 in this account, but because I'm holding long term, I'm not taking profits. But take a quick look under dividend view up here. You can see realty income. The yield is 6.27%. So I'm trying to build a little bit more dividends in here as well as growth. And we'll get the growth stocks when they start selling off some more. But you can see that the X date, so tomorrow, Halloween, is the last day that you can buy realty income and receive this pay date dividend on November 15th. So 6.27% yearly, and it's 2.26% of the account. But I just wanted to show this because this is something I want to add to my portfolio long term. I'm trying to get like a cost basis around, let's say like $45. So I was okay paying this price. But it already shows you that just this $500 investment is going to yield me $32 a year. So not bad for 6%. And then we still have SCHD backing us up with $300 in income. So we're going to continue just a dollar cost average, but I do want to add more to these two because I want their percentage of the account to always be above 30%. So we'll keep doing it, we'll keep adding, and when stocks go on sale, we'll keep buying them. So this is the chart for realty income. If anybody was watching my videos yesterday, I drew out these two lines saying that there's a potential bear flag forming, as you can see, waiting for $48 to break, and it literally happened the next day, which is nice. So now, right here, we're starting to see some support because look how thin this candle is. From $45 all the way up to 46.18, we are having selling pressure is slowing down because look how thin that bar is. So right now, we're focused on trying not to just catch the bottom because I'm holding this for long term. So I look at it like, over the 5 years, where has this thing really been? It was at a height of $71.81. And it's sold all the way down to $46 flat. So that's basically a 37 to 38% discount right now. That's how I look at it. And I'm going to be holding this long term. So for me, I'm just trying to get it in the ballpark, in the range. And I want to buy it when it's in this consolidation area, which you can see is anywhere from $42 to about $47. So if I can get it in there, for me, that seems like a good entry. Obviously, if you're trying to really pinpoint the bottom on this, I wouldn't be buying right now. I'm just trying to get in this area of consolidation because I think we're going to get a bounce from here long term. I think it's a good position to start building. Plus, I like realty income. So it's something that I'm willing to put 6% of my portfolio in and let it grow. But I still have the dollar cost average into it. We still have more money. So hopefully we can buy more shares a little bit lower in the $43 to $42 range. And then we'll take it from there. So I just want to give that quick update. That's what I added to the portfolio today. just adding $500 and just slowly, as paychecks come in, just slowly dollar cost average into stocks and index funds over the long term. And let's see how it plays out. We'll keep showing this portfolio, and we'll see at the end of the year if we made any money. But long term, we should be fine. Anyways, check out my